Hi, this is Abid Kazmi for DCTV USA, and here are the major headlines. Both a California teacher and her mother are dead after their car went over a cliff. The accident happened on Saturday in the coastal California city. 41-year-old Elizabeth and 64-year-old Maria Teixeira were killed. According to the California Highway Patrol, Teixeira was driving. She entered the parking lot and without slowing down went over the cliff. Teixeira was a first grade teacher. Her mother was the lead custodian at another elementary school. The accident is under investigation. This is an image of the helicopter as seen by the Perseverance rover. They are both on the Jezero crater, an ancient lake bed on Mars. Temperatures there can drop to negative 130 degrees. That's low enough to do significant damage to the helicopter's electrical and battery components. Ingenuity separated from Perseverance on April 3rd. Now that it's on Martian service, it has 31 Earth days to conduct up to 5 test flights. The first test could be as soon as April 11th. Ingenuity will attempt to rise about 10 feet in the air, make a turn, and touch back down. Australia has welcomed the New Zealand government's announcement that it will join the safe travel zone between the two countries. New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern announced that the country will allow Australians to travel in without the need of quarantine upon arrival, beginning on April 18th. Australia opened a one-way safe travel zone from New Zealand 6 months ago, with more than 34,000 arrivals into the country from New Zealand during that period. Should temporary restrictions need to be put in place during a COVID-19 outbreak, both countries will work to provide as much notice as possible to those involved. The officer who died in a deadly attack at the US Capitol last week was honored by the House of Representatives. An investigation is underway into the incident that took his life and injured another officer. The House chaplain took time for a tribute to fallen officer William Evans. And outside near the spot where the deadly attack took place along the Constitution Avenue, people left flowers and stopped by to pay their respects. Officer Evans was a father of two who served 18 years with US Capitol Police. He died Friday and another officer was injured when an armed suspect struck them with his car before ramming the vehicle into the North Brigade of the Capitol complex. Urdu Bazaar, one of the most congested bazaars of the center of Rawalpindi, housing over 300 bookshops and general stores, caught fire. The rising flame could not be overpowered till the filling of this report despite hard efforts from the firefighting units of different organizations. Tens of shops reduced to rubble as sudden fire engulfed the three-story business hub resulted in injuries to dozens of people. Many people shifted to hospital, sustaining serious burn injuries. Over 60 rescue workers, shopkeepers and volunteers sustained injuries during the havoc while dozens were fallen into faint due to suffocation of smoke. Firefighters of Rawalpindi Cantonment, CDA Islamabad, Attock Oil Refinery and WAF were participated in the battle. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.